Meet Sandra. She's been saving 500 Nigerian nairas from her snack money at Bank A. 2 years later, she earned 50 Nigerian nairas as interest. Meet James, who saved the same and 500 and got 551.25 Nigerian nairas from Bank B. James made extra and 51.25 in 2 years. That's strange. We both saved 500 Nigerian nairas. How did you end up with more? Sandra asked in utter disbelief. The same savings, the same time, different results. Why? They both decided to ask their math teacher why they received different interest amounts after saving the same amount of money for the same period in 2 different banks. The teacher explained,
Principal P equals 500 naira. Rate R equals 5% equals 0.05. Time T equals 2 years. Simple interest equals 500 times 0.05 times 2 equals 50 naira. Therefore, Sandra's total savings after 2 years is 550 naira. As for James, his bank used compound interest method for his 500 naira investment over the same period of 2 years. Year 1, 500 times 0.05 times 1 equals 25 naira. Total amount after year 1 is equal to 525 naira. Year 2, 525 times 0.05 times 1 is equal to 26.25 naira. Total amount after year 2 equals 525 plus 26.25 equals 551.25 naira.
James asked.
So do compound interests help your money grow faster?
Exactly. Smart saving makes a big difference. Now, not all interest is the same.
Now Sandra and James have discovered the smarter way to grow their savings, compound interest. With big smiles and new knowledge, James hopped onto his bicycle and Sandra climbed on behind. Off they rode, cheerful and excited to start saving the smart way. If you enjoyed this fun math adventure with Sandra and James, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting math videos for kids.
Ourselves in the rhythm divine, underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams.